Genomic imprinting. A basic tenet of Mendelian genetics is that the parental origin of a gene does not affect its expression and therefore reciprocal crosses give identical results. We have seen that there are some genetic characteristics, those encoded by X linked genes and cytoplasmic genes, for which reciprocal crosses do not give the same results. In these cases, males and females do not contribute the same genetic material to the offspring. With regard to autosomal genes, males and females contribute the same number of genes, and paternal and maternal genes have long been assumed to have equal effects. However, the expression of some genes is significantly affected by their parental origin. This phenomenon, the differential expression of genetic material depending on whether it is inherited from male and female parent, is called genomic imprinting. A gene that exhibits genomic imprinting in both mice and humans is IGF2, which encodes a protein called insulin like growth factor 2. Offspring inherit one IGF2 allele from their mother and one from their father. The paternal copy of IGF2 is actively expressed in the fetus and placenta, but the maternal copy is completely silent. Both male and female offspring possess IGF2 genes. The key to whether the gene is expressed is the sex of the parent. Female provides nutrients for the growth of the embryo. The mechanism of imprinting is under investigation, but the methylation of DNA is essential to the process. In mammals, methylation is erased in the germ cells each generation and then re-established in the course of gamete formation, with sperm and eggs undergoing different levels of methylation, which then causes the differential expression of male and female alleles in the offspring.